Hello, today I'll be talking about hoses that are unmatched in the industry world when it comes to durability. Meet SPIR STAR hoses and rubber water blast hoses. Specialized ultra-high pressure lines used wherever water becomes a cutting, cleaning or technological tool. If you're working in industry cleaning, hydrodemolition, water jet cutting or in the refinery or shipbuilding industry, this video is for you. These hoses are designed for demanding tasks. Where are they used? Water blast application for cleaning pipelines, sewers, steel structures and concrete using water pressure up to 4,000 bar. One key technology here is hydrodemolition, a method of removing concrete without vibration, dust or the noise typical of pneumatic hammers. This is most commonly used for bridge and tunnel renovation, cutting concrete while preserving reinforcement. Water jet cutting, a precise and versatile method that generates no heat or dust, avoiding deformation or property changes in the material. Perfect for steel, glass, rubber and composites. The cut edges are smooth and usually require no further finishing. Heat exchanger cleaning. Ultra-high pressure water cleaning is an effective and safe way to remove deposits, scale, rust and chemical residues from the inside of shell and tube exchanger. This process can be performed manually or automatically, where a hose, for example SPIR STAR, is fed in and out by a control device. In automatic systems, stop sleeves are used to prevent the hose from moving beyond the tube's end. Hydraulic bolt tensioning. Used wherever connection need to be exceptionally tight, durable and evenly tensioned, such as in turbines, high-pressure pipelines, oil and gas, power generation and shipbuilding. Hydraulic pressure enables precise elongation of bolts without twisting, which prevents overload and leakage and ensures uniform sealing surface contact. Hydroforming and pressure testing. Hydroforming shapes metal parts by injecting water under high pressure into molds. It enables the formation of thin-walled, precise shapes without cracks or stress. An example of this would be our Metalflex metal hose. Methanol or chemical injection, for example on offshore platforms. This involves dosing chemical into pipelines or wells to prevent freezing, gas hydrate formation and internal corrosion. This ensures continuous extraction, protect infrastructure and guarantee safe operation under extreme pressure and temperature. SPIR STAR hoses feature advanced construction. Inner layer made of polyoxymethylene, polyamide, polyvinylidene fluoride or PTFE, material resistance to high pressure, temperature, abrasion and chemical. Steel reinforcement up to 8 SPIR wood layers providing pressure resistance up to 4,000 bar. Outer layer made of polyurethane, polyamide, polyvinylidene fluoride or in special variants with additional steel braiding for mechanical protection. Available types: Type 2, 4, 6, 8. The number typical denotes the number of braids. Type HT for hot chemicals up to 150 degrees Celsius. Type HW for high pressure cleaning and high temperature up to 100 degrees Celsius. Type M for methanol injection. Type PPA for use on offshore platforms. Type HDC1 for hydrodemolition, includes color wear layer for visual inspection. Type KF for hot media, farm system or heated hoses. Hydrogen series for gaseous hydrogen, suitable for vehicle refueling. HL series Viper, flexible hydraulic hoses for jacks, gauges and more. All hoses are lightweight and compact, ideal for tight space. Highly resistant to pressure, pulsation and UV radiation. Available in length up to 4,500 meters. Fully crimped and certified by the manufacturer. Tubes International is an authorized SPIR STAR partner. We are authorized to crimp and test these hoses. Each hose is custom built to client specification after a thorough assessment of working condition and selection of hose, fittings and accessories. Available end fittings include UNF, BSP, NPT, HP, MP and metric treats. versions with cone, flat face and O-ring seals, Blast Pro nozzle for heat exchanger cleaning, stop sleeves for automated cleaning system. We also offer safety accessories, safety sleeves to protect operators from hose and detachment, bend restrictors, for example BR pore, to enhance safety and hose longevity, PVC covers, Cristallo and Louisiana, protect the hose from abrasion. Other options include high-temp sleeves like Pyro Jacket, adapters HP, MP, BSP, UNF, NPT, compatible with a wide range of systems. Ready-made SPIR STAR and water blast hoses available within 24 hours. DN5, 6, 8 in length of 5 to 20 meters. Pressure range from 700 bar Viper hoses to 4000 bar SPIR STAR with 8 braids. Terminate with popular fittings, just like M24 by 1.5, BSP 1/4 inch or UNF 9/16 inch. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention and don't forget to follow our channel.